The Google Pixel 8 series is expected later this year, and now the first leaked video of the design has arrived along with the confirmation of one of its new big feature. A video from tipster Kuba provided to 91 Mobile shows us the new design of the upcoming flagship phone, and it is also demonstrated a new built-in thermometer. We will talk them later in the video, but first of all, the Pixel 8 Pro design is shown briefly in the video, and it is largely looks similar to what we saw on the Pixel 7 Pro. The main difference is the camera bar now features all three sensors within the same module. On the Pixel 7 Pro, there was three cameras, but they were positioned differently. The overall design of the phone looks similar here, and this is a white variant of the phone with a silver camera bar running alongside with the device. Now, talking about a new feature that has been shown by this video, and this is going to be a built-in thermometer that is coming for the Pixel 8 Pro. The new thermometer features is a wide sensor positioned on the rear of the phone in the camera bar just below the LED flash. It's an infrared thermometer designed to measure the temperature of your body, and we have seen these features on smartphones in the past such as the Honor Play 4 Pro, but this is the first time we have seen it on the Pixel products. The technology appears to be similar to the other contactless thermometer, and the leaked video is guided to how to use the feature. In the video, the person is told to identify the monitor, remove any accessories like glasses that may block bars, skins around the forehead, and then bring the phone close to the face. The sensor doesn't need to touch your forehead, but you then move the phone around to your temple over the period of 5 seconds to get full reading from your thermometer. It is unclear whether the video has been sourced from, but it appears that the internal material from Google that shows how the features work. 91 Mobile says that the Pixel 8 Pro is being tested by Google employees, and it is currently seems like the features won't be available on standard Pixel 8. The sensor will also be available to measure the temperature of the objects, but the video doesn't show how that works. Anyhow, the first major leak of the Pixel 8 series we have seen so far, and we're expecting Google to introduce the handset probably towards the end of the year. If it follows its previous schedule, we can expect them at same point during October. In the meantime, Pixel Fold will be on sale next month. And you guys, what do you think about the Pixel 8 Pro device and this new feature? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.